Today we are going to look at a different way to subtract with zeros, and we're going to combine our tens and hundreds. So really what we're going to do is that we're going to pretend like we went to the bank and there are no hundreds left. The bank only has tens and ones. Taking a look at our hundreds, tens, and ones, we are not going to be able to use hundreds today. We're only going to be able to use 10. Let's try first. Let's try representing 108 using only tens. So I'm going to do the first one, and then you're going to give it a try. So I'm going to do 108 using only tens and ones. I can't use 100. So I'm going to do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 108 without using any hundreds. Okay, for 203. Represent 203 without using any hundred blocks. Pause the video here, give it a try, and then come back and see if you were correct. All right, let's try it. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. And we've got 3 ones. So sometimes, second graders, we can show 100 just by using tens and ones, or tens. So now let's take a look at how that might work with a problem such as 102. Let's just say that this 10 right here is the same as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay? And then we, of course, have our ones, 1, 2. So this over here shows 102, just in a different way. So now when we regroup, it's going to be a little bit different. So let's take a look again at our ones, and we have 2 minus 8. Well, we know that we have to do some regrouping. So let's go over here to these 10 tens. I cross one of these out. And now I only have 9 tens. But I have added 10 more ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, instead of 2 ones, I have 12 ones. Now I can do my subtraction. 12 minus 8 equals 4, and 9 minus 6 equals 3. 34. I'm going to double check that with addition. 68 plus 34 equals 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry that one. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 3 more is 10. Let's try another one. Now let's do the same thing with 204. I'm going to say we have 20 tens and 4 ones. I'm going to start over here by looking at my ones. 4 minus 7. Oh, can't do that. Let's take one of these 20 tens away, and now I only have 19. And this 4 gets 10 more, so now I have 14 over here. Now we've got 14 minus 7 equals 7. And I've got 9 minus 2 equals 7. Or I can think 19 minus 2 equals 17. I can carry this one from the hundreds down. So we've got 177. Give it a try. Group those hundreds and tens columns together to just make tens. Pause the video here and give it a try. All right, let's check it. Let's start out by grouping our hundreds and tens together. So we have 40 tens and 6 ones. When I look over at my ones, 6 minus 2 equals 4. And I've got 40. I can just look at this as a 40. 40 minus 6 equals 34. So my total is 344. Let's try it with all zeros across the top. Let's do 200 minus 42. I'm going to block these tens together. So I've got 20 tens and 0 ones. I look over at my ones. 0 minus 2. Oh, can't do it. Let's take 1 away from the 20, which would be 19. And now I borrowed a 10, so I have 10 ones. I've got 10 minus 2 in the ones, which would be 8. And I've got 19 minus 4. Or I can just do 9 minus 4 is 5, and then I have 1 minus 0 is 1. My total is 158. You try. Try 200 minus 52. Pause the video here and check back. All right, let's take a look at, let's group this 20. And let's take a look at our ones. I've got 0 minus 2, can't do it. Let's take one of the 20 tens, and now I only have 19 because I have a 10 over here. 10 minus 2 is 8. 19 minus 5 is 14. Hopefully you got that one right.